Well, hello and welcome back. This is Derek, Solo Moto UK. Got Curtis in front on the GPZ. We're just off to Matlock on this beautiful sunny Wednesday morning. Well, dinner time. Yeah, 10 to 12. Yeah, beautiful. Bit icy this morning. Well, very icy. You see the snow here still. Correct. Should get in Matlock about 10 to 1, it's saying. Yeah, Kurt's got his levers on and he's wrapped up with jeans or leggings or something, joggers, that's it. Then his levers, couple of layers on top of the lever, then his hoodie on top of the lever. I thought I'd fix this right glove cable, but obviously I haven't. It keeps going on and off. So beautiful place in there, Black Rock Barns. If you're into auction and collecting things, some good stuff in there, definitely is. The bloody stupid Kawasaki 80 grips, they're absolutely rubbish, they are. Absolutely rubbish. They are. Nationals now. Yeah, I'll tell you now, Kawasaki heated grips are absolutely rubbish. Where I bought the bike from, they're sending me a throttle tube so I can fit the Oxford heated Pro grips, and I'm also looking at and it's power bronze. They do heat handguards to this bike, keep the wind and chill off you, so I'll be looking into them. I think they're about £109, 105, 109. That's one thing I do miss, is the old handguards. A lot of people fit them on these bikes. Yeah, the white bike's running absolutely fantastic. We give it a little tweak with the carbs and nice, good on fuel. I've changed my dash around. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't like it. I'd rather have it on mode 1 instead of 2. You can't see what miles you're getting per gallon or anything like that. And I like to see the range, what range I've got left. I know I filled it up this morning, right up. Let him know. God, McDonald's car park, we stopped for a coffee, I'm not lying. Like a skating rink. I thought, oh no, I look like Donald Duck with my flappy feet on the floor. Can't be too careful, can you? Because you can't see ice, it just looks wet, doesn't it? Black ice. So just take it steady. The music. money came to me. I've got to do something with it, the neck strap of this jacket. It's far too small. Far too small. RICHA, do you want to listen to your people who buy your stuff? You want to do a longer neck strap or an adjustable one? Can't do them up, they strangle you. Absolutely pathetic it is. I think the only way I'm either going to do it is either cut it and sew a section in, or cut a tab off one of the old cheapo jackets I've got and so press that in, or sew it onto it and then press that in so it'll go right around the neck, so the top can be done up. Bloody drafty it is without that done up. Terrible. Yeah, you can't change the settings when the bike's moving. Look smart. You've got all the power, the throttle. You can swap it to how much brake you're using and the lean angle and all that. But personally I prefer the other one. Just a matter of choice, not moaning. But I'll tell you what I am going to moan at. I don't know if you people have seen these new ones of these coming out. Absolutely diabolical. They're going backwards and the weld on it is unreal. Right, I'll tell you what I'm on about, shall I? Your wheel, where you adjust your wheel, align your wheel there. On these you just undo the pinch nuts, put your socket, well, your X head in your circle thing and turn it like that, little tiny bit each, and it turns the other side. They've gone backwards, they're doing it the old way now, and it looks horrible. And it looks like they've just chopped this part off and welded it back on. Oh my god, you want to see it? I'll put, and actually I'm going to put a photo into this video, I will, and I'll show you. Yeah, I'll put a photo in and show you exactly what I mean. It's absolutely, I don't know what the playing at Kawasaki, I'm being serious. Cheapness actually, I think. Absolutely terrible on you. Shame on you, Kawasaki. Yes, you heard me, shame on you. Anyway, I ain't gonna let you watch me go through all this roadworks at 40 mile an hour, 30 mile an hour. I'll catch you when I'm near Matlock, okay? Hello and welcome back. I've had some proper snow up here, ain't I, eh? Definitely had some proper snow. Ooh, it's thick enough. Yeah, we're not far now. Definitely not far. Be a bit of the countryside and we'll be nearly there. Branches and everything knocked off there. You'll see now what I mean about the snow. Look at that, quite thick. And I'm like toasty hot with all my heated gear on, my inner soles, my pants, my jacket and my gloves. And the crap Kawasaki, absolutely disgusting heated grips, rubbish. So if any of you want a Kawasaki, any one, do not go for their heated grips, I'm telling you. Absolutely rubbish. You're better off spending your money on a Oxford Pro set. At least they get hot. Oh yeah, look at this. Beautiful. And we got to turn a right. Lights have changed. Curtis have come out the side of me. They've had proper snow here, ain't they? I don't like this. Oh, God, that was a crack in the road, wasn't it? Never come this way in before. Gotta turn off up here. Ooh. What's the icy Kurt? The slushy ice. Here we're going in the winter wonderland ride, eh? It looks beautiful, but look at that, mile after mile up there. We've got gorgeous scenery with snow. Right, only a few weeks away, innit, for Christmas. The jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun there is to ride a 1000cc Ninja. Hey! No, I'm only joking. Here we are, 50, 50. Nothing about it. Oh, God, it's chilly. What we got? What we got? Temperature wise. Two. Temperatures 2. You can see the snow here, can't you? Oh, I just hit a stone there. Nice and twisty roads. It's took us half an hour longer, but we come a different way, and we stopped as well for a McDonald's, you know what I mean, warm up, a latte and that, a cheeseburger. So the quickest way to Matlock for us is up the motorway, M69 from Coventry, M1, and then into Matlock that way. But I like coming the country way because you can't beat it. You wouldn't have seen this, would you? Look at that, the flag there, least we forget. Village green this is, isn't it? Look at that. Not proper Christmas, isn't it? Right. I know it's a strange time of the year for it to snow, because officially we're still in autumn, ain't we? The horse and jockey. It looks a busy old place. 5 miles of this. Yeah. I don't know where my lad wants to go toilet. Wow, look at that. What a view. And the sun. One of them sunny, cold, crispy days of November. Well, I think some fish and chips is on order here, definitely. Look at this, right? Oh. Well, watch it, ain't you, just in case it's slippy. Middle of nowhere. Right, so we've stopped here, more traffic lights. Nearly there, Kurt. Oh. We're nearly there. Yeah. Arrive in 4.5 minutes. No, about 2 miles. Look at this, eh? Lovely, absolutely lovely. Ooh. That's my own fault, trying to pull the clutch in and use the quick shifter at the same time, which is a no-no. Yeah, we're still recording. Just look at that over there, right? I'll just get the camera wipe. Just get that a wipe because a bit of road spray, a bit of road spray, yeah. Look at this, beautiful. White roofs, like a white blanket. Now, talking about blankets, I went out and got myself a heated blanket last night. 45 quid from Argos. For 2 hours it uses only a penny an hour. It's an amazing one. Yes, you heard right, 1p an hour it uses on preheat, and that's more than not enough. It's hotter, you know, when you get up in the morning and you sit back on, you go toilet, sit back on your bed, and you think, oh, could I have 5 more minutes in there because it's toasty warm. Well, that's what this blanket is like, the hotter. And that's just on preheat. Absolutely brilliant. This ain't brought me to Matlock Bath, is it? It's sat nav, it's brought me to Matlock. Oh my god. This is why it's brought us out this way. Matlock bath we wanted. Yeah. Oh. Lake's partly frozen. Yeah. Where we want to turn left. Well, we've got to turn left, Kurt. The toilets are here anyway. Okay, you alright? Oh, I can smell fish. Fish and chips. You smell fish and chips? Yeah, you can, can't you? Your pain.
What I'm going to do? You know the polystyrene?
Shave it a bit.
I'm going to shave it.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah, that's all you got to do. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Yeah, I think it's around. Yeah. I'm bloody lost, I am. I'll pull over here. Oh, look at them lovely reefs. Yeah, I'll just pull up here. Yeah. We're just getting into Matlock now. But Matlock Bar, should I say. Oh. Yeah, the inland seaside of Great Britain. Gotta watch your speed here, ain't you? Cameras. Water. Here's a river, running alongside the river here. God, they've had some bad snow as well, ain't they? Look at that up there. Right up. Just over here on the left you've got the heights of Abraham. round this bend and the longer bit, you'll see it. Well, I'll show you it. I'll just give the camera lens a wipe. Sorry about keep doing that, but I know you get a bit of road crud. Salt splashing up. Blights look well salted, no pepper or vinegar, just salt. There's the cable cars up there, 6 of them, so they're not running. See the cable running across and down to 30. Yeah, that's the 8th of Abraham. Yeah, you turn, there's a turning on this bend where you turn left up to it. I mean, it's where all the coaches park. Yeah, it says here on that thing here. There, Heights of Abraham car park. That sun's very low and strong. And here we are. I can't open me. Oh, that's better. Can't open me lid nearly. You see all the poppies here and the bridge. There's the river, and we'll be pulling up over here on our right in a minute, something a bit further up. One bike, just one bike. There's Charlie's restaurant, so I'm going to be coming up here, pulling up in here. Right, this, oh, it's all closed. Oh my god. Hey Kurt, it's all closed. It's all closed. Is that open? Wow, what do I say? That's open, isn't it? Yeah. We're here.
About to get attacked by seagulls.
Yeah, we're here at the Costa fish shop. There's Curtis.
Hello, you right?
There's me bite. Filthy, plenty of salt but no vinegar. Same as this one, isn't it?
That's it.
Plenty of salt but no vinegar. You've got the gulls going crazy for some reason. It's like the film, Alfred Hitchcock, the birds. Look for them. Ah! Ah, look! Ah! They're getting attacked. No. Oh, it's all along here. I'll get over here where the sun is nice and dry. Tell you what, when salt gets on you boys, they're hard to get up in it. Blinding. Oh shit. Oh shit, I've just knocked my air cardio off. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to put it in my pocket.
How can it come off?
I don't know how it come off.
It fell off the wall.
Yeah. It's bad, isn't it? That's twice that's happened today.
Yeah.
Knock it off dead easy.
Not good. It's not going in my pocket.
Is it in?
Yeah.
Where's the zip?
Yeah, you're on it.
Cheers. Bloody hell, you can't go dropping your Cardo, can you? Terrible. I'll have to have a look at that while it's falling off. Terrible that. Wonder if anybody else's has fallen off. That's the second time today. Always something happens, don't they? Always. Yeah, this is all dry here. Where the sun's on it. Lovely. Must have been bad, because look how thick it was there then. Put the camera up right. Start again. Say it's bad, isn't it, dropping your car off like that, not falling off. Wild countryside, the Derbyshire Dales, covered in with a blanket of snow. Doesn't it look awesome? It does, look at that. Anyway, you've seen enough of the Derbyshire Dales with a blanket of snow, so I'm going to say thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for now. Solo Moto UK. Bye for now.